I mean, the physical process for cloud seed to happen, there has to be an existing cloud, you know, and so that's like one of the big critical things, you know, like you have to seed an existing cloud formation to make it generate more precipitation. So we are looking for, one of my colleagues likes to refer to as a juicy cloud, right? These clouds that have like an abundance of liquid water content. And so a cloud, as we've discussed, is liquid water that you can see in the atmosphere. That's simply the difference, right? And the difference between the blue sky that you see is that water is in the gas form. And so when a cloud forms, it's the physical process of going from a gas to a liquid water, right? Or yes, to liquid water, right? And so cloud seeding, by contrast, we're trying to create snow or ice. And so we are going, you know, water exists in vapor, liquid, and a solid form. So if creating clouds is going from the vapor form to the liquid form, cloud seeding or generating ice is going from the liquid form to the solid form, right? So we're talking about two very different physical processes that occur. And so when we're targeting cloud seeding, right, we need to find something that has an abundance of liquid water already available, right? So the clouds have to be there for us to be able to seed them. And there has to be certain winter conditions that occur during a storm for cloud seeding to occur, right? Or for it to even be effective.
Is this why the contrail, where it's like, hey, it was a blue sky and I saw this plane go by and I saw this trail behind it? It's like, okay, that's step one, going from gaseous form to liquid form.
Correct.
If it were actually cloud seeding, that cloud would have to already exist. And then we go from liquid to solid.
To essentially deplete the cloud, get rid of it.
To make that all fall to the ground.
Correct.
But it's essentially you're one step back. Like, we can't even do it if there isn't that already liquid form of gas. So that's why when you see Southwest Airlines fly by, and other people say they're like, well, I saw this thing in the sky, I know there's cloud seeding. It's like, look, I don't know what to tell you. I do know that Idaho does not cloud seed during the summer. They're like, well, someone is. It's like, well, then somebody is. Who is it? They're like, I don't know. It's like, that's fine. Then, like, I'm not even telling you you're wrong. I just know that these industries in the state of Idaho are not responsible for this right now.